Hi, I'm excited to share that IIT Madras is starting a new M.Tech program in robotics. We are leveraging on our experiences in conducting the Inter-Disciplinary Dual Degree program in robotics for the last 5 years. And this M.Tech program is open to all the students all over India. And we are planning to train the next generation of robotic engineers with strong theory courses as well as lab experiences and industry connects.
So the program starts off by giving students introduction to robotics. This is supposed to bridge a gap between different batches. So students coming from a mechanical engineering background or from an electrical or computer science background. Moving forward, they will get to take more courses on field and service robotics, some on robot control, and some also on motion planning. In addition to these core courses, students will also be able to take electives from different branches such as electrical, mechanical, and computer science. As the world is moving more towards physical AI, the robotics lab course will give students some experience in working with real actuators and real sensors. They will learn how to design and build robotic solutions for Indian industrial applications.
This program is designed to nurture next generation robotics engineers. They will go and help the growing robotics industry in India, provide much needed employment opportunities for them. This program is a blend of hands-on learning and theoretical aspects that are needed to create next generation startups, create employment in robotics industry in India and beyond. With the blend of academic rigor and hands-on learning, the graduates of this program will be ready for taking challenges in manufacturing, automation, healthcare robotics, field and service robots, and autonomous driving, which are some of the fastest growing industries in India and elsewhere in the world.
One key feature of our program derives from the fact that the faculty involved are very deeply engaged in research, both in core and industrial aspects. We have multiple projects running at any point of time with our defense and space organizations as well as industries. So a lot of real and new hardware gets developed over here. Niche technologies get developed here. We work in parallel robots, we want to work in underwater robots, we develop drones, and many of these new technologies are things that the students can get involved with, they can get exposed to, they can learn as these technologies are being developed in-house. That's a feature that we believe will attract brilliant minds to our program.